Cherish is a certified surgical technologist, and she is the person that is at the back table that is keeping the sterile field, passing the instruments back and forth to the surgeon. She is totally responsible for all of the instrumentation, keeping the conditions of the instrumentation to where they need to be, and then just being prepared and taking care of everything that the surgeon could possibly need throughout the case.
Cherish is somebody you just kind of want to be around. From the first time I met her, you feel this warmth. She's very humble, she's very kind, she always has a smile on her face, she's very positive. Hearing her story was just inspiring. You don't even realize the impact of her sacrifice when you're talking to her, because she makes it into such not a big deal.
She keeps things light in the operating room, which is something that's always good. You always want to work in an environment where people are having fun. Cases go better, patients do better. It's kind of strange how that works. But she's also a very hard worker. She takes pride in what she does, and I think she does a great job at it.
Compassion, humility, selflessness. Every time I pass her in the hallway, she's always just smiling and wants to know about you more than she wants to talk about herself.
I've always wanted to help people. That has been my big thing since I was little. Dogs on the side of the road, just older people, anything I can do to help. So I figured getting in a career that I can make people's lives better every day.
She was very much dedicated to her studies and was a high achiever. And when I say she participated, she also participated in class. And as instructors, we love students that participate in class because that lets us know that the student is actually learning something. So she was a dream student.
And the students that we really seek out are kind, compassionate, caring individuals, people with a great work ethic. Cherish had all of those things. And beyond that, one of the things that I really liked about Cherish, she has great interpersonal skills.
She had a warm heart, and that was the main thing that got me about Cherish. I'm a manager that hires heart. We can teach skill all day long. We were very blessed that she had a great skill set. That was a bonus for us. But her heart is what made us look at her.
I was just scrolling through Facebook one day, and one of my mutual friends had shared the Facebook post. So I kind of was like, I kind of want to see where this goes. And I called my mom that day and I was like, I think I want to see if I'm a match. And she's like, no, don't do that. Because they were worried about me. It had pictures of him and his grandkids, and they were asking if anyone would be interested in seeing if they were a match. And I knew in that moment, like I seen his smaller grandchildren and everything, and I was like, I have to see. You know, something told me that I needed, this was my person. I'm going to be a match.
You know, it's one thing to say, I'm going to donate a kidney, but when you add the details of this is a person that she didn't know, complete stranger. She's super young. She took her spring break week to do this, which who do you know as a young person that would take their spring break to donate a kidney to a stranger? It's just incredible. I just couldn't believe it.
Cherish is married. She's very young. She has a life ahead of her. And it's the unknown. I could not believe that she chose to do that.
It's just hard to believe that someone, a young professional like her, would choose to donate something to save another life of someone that she really didn't know. It's an incredible story, and it's very generous, and it's not something that most people would do. I mean, I have to look at myself and say, would I be willing to do that? And it's just hard to believe that she, at such a young part of her career, and just make that kind of decision to help somebody else so selflessly.
I left the hospital a day before him, but we were constantly messaging each other, checking on each other. My mom would message. They've gotten pretty close as well. So we were just constantly checking up multiple times a day.
They are such a warm family, They're very blessed and they do not overlook anything. They are so grateful of what Cherish has offered. It just gave Danny the ability to do things with his grandkids that he was not going to get the opportunity to do.
And really, they kept saying how they've made a lifelong friend with Cherish and how they'll always have this connection to her and, you know, thankful for what she did.
So we talk pretty much every week, if not daily, and they have been amazing to me and I can't thank them enough.
She's not just making a difference in her career. She made a difference in someone's life. She gave life to someone, and that is the ultimate.
If we help each other out and we're there for each other, things are going to go a lot more smoothly. I feel like kindness is a big thing for me. Anything I can do to make someone else feel better is my big thing. So I think if we all did that, you know, we would be really well off.
She's an angel with a servant's heart. Because I think it takes a selfless person to do what she has done.
She is the example of what we're looking for here, is someone that cares about the community enough to give part of her body away to take care of someone that she doesn't even know. I don't know how else you could take care of making our community better and healthier. And I think she's the total example of that.